Last week, something weird happened. A photo leaked of what people thought was the new DJI Mini 5 Pro. And honestly, it looked bad. Huge propeller guards, solid one-piece props. It didn't even look like a drone. It looked like a flying cage. People started asking, is this really DJI's next big thing? We weren't sure, but now we are. Because a new video just dropped. And it changes everything. No guards, no weird props, just clean, foldable blades, beefy vented motors. This is what we were hoping for. This is the real Mini 5 Pro. And the big news? We've got a date, August 7th. That's right. The Mini 5 Pro is dropping a full month earlier than expected. And our trusted source, who's never been wrong, says this is locked in. That gives us just a few short weeks. And oh man, it's looking good. Let's talk about what we've seen. The latest leaks show a bigger camera, 2 LiDAR sensors right up front, and a frame that still keeps it under 250 grams. Which means no drone license, no registration hassle, just fly. And here's where it gets crazy. We're hearing rumors of a 1-inch CMOS sensor. That's a big jump from the Mini 4 Pro, a possible 25-kilometer range. And get this, up to 50 minutes of flight time, 50. That could be thanks to a new 4,680 AIM battery. And fast charging, maybe 65 watts. So less time charging, more time flying. But let's be clear, these specs aren't 100% confirmed. Still, if they're even half true, the Mini 5 Pro could be the best drone DJI has ever released in this category. And the best part? No more weird cages, no more doubts, just a sleek, powerful drone that's ready to fly sooner than anyone expected. So, what feature are you most excited for? Is it the LiDAR, the longer flight time, or just the fact that DJI didn't lose their minds? Let us know in the comments. And if you're hyped like we are, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Because August 7th, it's coming fast. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.